nervous, you know, because I kind of ticklish with my foot. So I pray for the doll use my heel back and thump on them in the day. But then I know a real thing. What they don't do, they did a really good job. Tell me, how was yours?
Amazing. That was great.
Yeah.
Much needed.
Much needed. We are gonna walk up and down all day today, so we probably should have get it after we done. But it's a good day, guys. Weather better than yesterday, so we're happy about it. We are gonna take a note, guys, with it today. Do some sightseeing, you know, walk around and things. So yeah, let's enjoy this one. Let's go. Guys, look how we just woke up. This is so cool. Rainbow telephone. Alright, so walking the streets, giving you guys some sightseeing today. Black out and I would love to see it.
Hi everybody, I just want to thank all of you for the happy birthday wishes. Thank you so much, I appreciate it.
Alright guys, so we're there at the Riverwalk Nola Mall and big. Let me show you the water. What is the water, guys? Don't feel this way. Dirt is bad. It's very bad. But we're walking soon, so I can get to see a better view. Guys, so you know what it is again, the hot chocolate and more beanie. Yeah, we are the mall and we see it, so you know it's over. It's over. Woohoo! Outside. Guys, this water is a mess. Brown. This is where we are. Get the light.